Hey, my name is Kaleef Williams, and I'm a dad of three beautiful daughters. And I'll be honest, when I first started trying to build an online business, I had no clue where to begin. No audience, no tech skills, and definitely no product. If that's where you are right now, I want you to breathe because you don't need to have it all figured out to start. Today, I'm breaking down how to start your digital products business, even if you don't have a product, an email list, or following. This is exactly how I got started and built my way to consistent daily payments. When I first heard people were making money selling digital products online, I thought that's great for them. But where would I even start? The turning point came when I realized I didn't need to reinvent the wheel. There were already done for you systems and proven blueprints that allowed me to plug in, learn the skill, and start earning without spending months trying to figure out how to create my own thing. I stopped chasing perfection, guys, and started focusing on one thing: solving a real problem for people. That mindset shift from I need a perfect product to I just need to help someone get a result changed the game for myself and my family. So, here's the game plan if you're just starting out. Step one, find a problem people are already searching to solve. It could be money, time, freedom, health, or even personal growth. Whatever connects to your personal story. Step two, use a done for you product or proven digital system that already solves that problem. You don't have to create it, just learn how to share it effectively, telling your story. Step three, focus on storytelling and connection instead of selling. People don't buy products, they buy transformation. When you show what's possible through your unique story, your audience sees themselves in your journey. And here's the truth: your first digital business doesn't need to be fancy. You just need something simple, scalable, and set up to pay you daily. That's how you move from waiting for opportunity to creating them. If you're ready to start your digital products business but don't have time to figure it out alone, go to www.getdailypayments.com and I'll link it in the description below. It's the same system I used to start earning online with no tech experience, and it gives you the roadmap, the product, and the automation to get results fast. The best time to start is today because staying stuck costs way more than getting started.